Hello everyone, I'm Mei Shen, the application scientist from Surface Measurement Systems. Here I would like to introduce you two different vapor sorption techniques for the characterization of complex solids, including porous materials. So for the characterization of the solid-state material, we can either use energy as a probe, like some spectroscopy method, to get the analytical and structural information of the solid material. Or we can use heat as a probe, like the TGA method, for the thermodynamic information. As for the vapor sorption techniques, we are using molecules as a probe. So by studying the kinetics of the vapor sorption and the desorption, we can then easily calculate lots of different physical-chemical properties of the solid material based on the different interaction between the solid material and the promolecules. And in case of the vapor and the gas phase technique, we are only focusing on the macroporous and the mesoporous materials with the pore size less than 50 nanometers. So first about the surface measurement systems. We are the company based in London with the history over 25 years. We develop and manufacturing mainly two different techniques, the dynamic vapor sorption and the inverse gas chromatography. Our range of scientific instruments has helped to solve lots of difficult problems in the pharmaceuticals, biomaterials, polymers, food industries, as well as porous material. And our product used by hundreds of leading laboratories and universities throughout the world. We also provide professional, world-class scientific and technical support for our international customers. Here's the list of our products. So our dynamic vapor sorption instrument, we can measure the mass change of the sample at different concentrations of moisture or organic vapor with a very high sensitivity balance, giving different shapes of the isotope for the calculation of, for example, BET surface area, porosity, pore size distribution, diffusion, or the permeability in case of some thin film samples. Our inverse gas chromatography instrument allows to measure the surface energy of powder, fiber, film, or particulate materials, along with the energy heterogeneity mapping on the surface. It's also capable to calculate the work of cohesion and adhesion for the interaction between particles in the multi-component systems. We also have the device to measure the vapor pressure of various liquids or solids at different temperatures. And in case of our DVS vacuum system, it's specially designed for the porous material for the study of degassing condition, as well as the gas and vapor binary competitive sorption. The example we have here is about the cold sorption studies of the volatile organic compounds by the commercial porous sorbents. That we perform the tooling sorption at different background humidities. So from the result, it shows that most of the sorbents perform quite well at dry conditions, but with the increasing of background humidity, the tooling capture capacity drops a lot and becomes even 10 times smaller at higher humidity level, like 70% relative humidity. However, among 5 of the samples, the zeolite A88Y sample is virtually independent of the moisture, that the results at different humidity are almost the same, which means this sample is rather stable and could be used in a wide range of conditions during the real application. A full study about this VOC capture can be found in our application notes, and we are very happy to provide it at our booth. And we also have a wide range of webinars planned on DVS and the IGC during the excavator pitches. So please feel free to get in touch with us to discuss about your application. and welcome to our booth for more information. Thank you for your attention.